So, welcome back to the series in the name of Search of Shooting a Cat. And in this, we are covering a topic named as the Bohr's atom. You know about that, you learn in the science book and whatever in the school, college. So, we are covering this topic in a series, like in a story form. So, I hope you enjoy the story and also understand about the Bohr's atom and the perspective of atom he gave to the world in the quantum mechanics and also in the perspective of classical mechanics of physics. Okay, so let's start the story. So, imagine a time when the very fabric of reality was an unsolved puzzle. A time when the atom, this tiny elusive speck of the universe, was a battleground of idea. And then a young Danish physicist stepped into the chaos, armed with nothing but the equation and an unyielding belief in the unseen. His name was Niels Bohr. Okay, so here's the story turns around. And what he uncovered would shatter everything we know about and we thought about we know. Okay, so, but our story doesn't begin with Bohr. It begins with a contradiction, a paradox, a question that haunted the greatest minds of the early 20th century. What is the atom? What truly lies at the heart of all matter? Rutherford, the fearless pioneer, had just fired tiny bullets, alpha particles, at a sheet of gold. The result? Madness. Most of them passed through as if the gold was, as if the gold was nothing but empty space. But some bounced back as if they had struck something dense. Sometime, something terrifying happening. Okay, the nucleus, the very core of the atom. But there was a problem. Rutherford's model made no sense. Listen to me carefully. Here's the story begin a tragic turn. Okay, so electrons should spiral into the nucleus, destroying everything, and yet atom existed. Okay, the universe stood firm. But how? So Bohr was not ordinary thinker. Bohr was not an ordinary thinker. He saw what other missed. He believed there had to be other. There had to be a order, a hidden rule governing the chaos, and then a clue. And the clue is light. What if electron wasn't wandering aimlessly? What if they followed static rules? What if they could jump from one energy level to another energy level, but never in between of them? And what if, just what if, each jump created a burst of light? Listen, a burst of light, quanta, a energy, a packet of energy releases or acts like a take by an electron when it's jumped from one energy level to another energy level. So, carrying the abstract amount of energy that lost, the missing link, the reason atom didn't collapse, the reason the universe stood firm. But science is never simple. Bohr's theory explained the hydrogen atom and the simplest of them all. But could it explain the chaotic? hmm? But could it explain the unpredictable world of the heavier elements? Was Bohr's atom the final truth? Or just the beginning of a deeper mysteries? As Bohr idea spread, a new storm gathered on the horizon, the storm called quantum mechanics. His atomic model would soon face the challenges, okay? A mind even more mysterious than his own, the mind of a man who would rewrite the rules of reality itself, and named Schrödinger. So, this book all is on this man, the madness of this man. So, but that's is a story of another time. Okay, so the year is 1913. The room is tense. The audience, a gathering of the world's greatest minds, is spectacle. Could this young Danish physicist truly had unlocked the secrets of the atom? Bohr's model was elegant, precise, but the physicist was never kind to elegance. His ideas had to be tested, scrutinized, torn apart. If they survived, only then would they be accepted. Then the evidence arrived. The spectral lines of the hydrogen, mysterious pattern of light emitted by atom, fit perfectly with Bohr's prediction. The audience gasped. The equation matched the reality. Bohr's model have done the impossible. It brought order to the quantum chaos, but the deeper physicist dug. The strange thing become what of other elements about like lefting the hydrogen because hydrogen is the simplest atom form. Okay, what of the spectral anomalies the Bohr's model couldn't explain? The journey was far from over. Okay, Bohr's world was unrevealing. He had just set the foundation, but his model was incomplete. But something darker lurked beneath the surface, something that would deeply logic itself. Bohr's work set the stage, but soon a new breed of physicists world emerged. Men like Heisenberg, Schrödinger, who would push even deeper into the unknown. The quest for the ultimate truth was just the beginning. And what they found would change the world forever. So that's about the Bohr's atom. I hope you still enjoy the story. And if you can't understand what I am saying, just repeat the video. So I hope you enjoy the video. Find the mistakes I had done in this entire video, and comment down below so I can improve myself, my storytelling style. Okay, and also the script also that I am reading right now. So